Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, what's up? My name is Caitlin, and today we are not in my normal filming area because I opened my curtains or my blinds all the way and can't get them to close, so it's super bright in there. So we're gonna chill on the floor against this random wall in my apartment and look really weird, but we're gonna do that, so it's fun. We are doing another Petit Vour unboxing. Still don't know how to say that, but that's what it looks like right there. I kind of destroyed the box a little bit opening it. It says be bold, be kind normally. Opening it up, this is what it looks like. It says be bold, be kind, Petit Vour, and it's got your little card here. It's always got a card in it that always looks different. This month it looks like this. It's just a leaf with a little sun. Products are in here with their information. The one thing that I really love about Petit Vour, or whatever this box is called, is if it is a sample size product, they put the actual value of the product in the card, not the full size value like Ipsy does and stuff, because then I always have to like math and figure out what the sample value is. This one does that for me. So here are the products this month. Let's just go ahead and grab what's on top here, which is the Seaweed Bath Co. Firming Detox Cream with green coffee bean extract. Nutrient-rich seaweed for the appearance of softer, firmer-looking skin. Antioxidant-rich green tea extract. Ultra-hydrating hyaluronic acid. Awaken rosemary and mint. That's what this looks like. I've never heard of this brand, but I'll try it, I guess. I don't know. That's got a seal on it. I don't know if this is like a mask or if I'm just supposed to like wash my face with it or what, but let's smell it. Smells very minty. Definitely very minty. Okay. How much are you? This retails for $4. It's a body cream. Okay. Iodine rich and sustainably harvest bladder rack seaweed forms the base of the detoxifying cream that is rich with skin plumping coffee and green tea extracts. Hyaluronic acid locks in moisture, while rosemary and mint give this cream its refreshing scent. Apply a small amount to skin as needed, targeting areas of concern for external use only. But it doesn't tell me if I'm supposed to wash it off. Like, do I just put it on my skin and leave it? Do I wash it off? What? I'm gonna have to look into this. Okay, next thing in here is this guy. Moon Rivers Naturals. Peppermint lava salt hand and body. Nutrient-rich body cleanser. I cannot even begin to read those letters. Those are so tiny. Is this just like a soap? Peppermint lava hand and body soap. Yes, $5. Black lava salt gently exfoliates, activated charcoal detoxifies, and peppermint essential oil leaves skin with a refreshing tingle and a calming hand and body soap. So this is just like soap. Ooh. So like a toothpaste. That's cool, I guess. I mean, so far we're at $9 with these two products, so not the best showing in the world. Next thing is by Jane Iredale. I actually have heard that name before. This is the Lip Drink Lip Balm with SPF 15. It's in the shade Flirt. I do love lip balms. Ooh, cute packaging actually. I really like this. It's like silver. It feels very weighted. It's got the pink there, so it makes me think this is probably going to be a pink one. Oh, okay. So I really thought it was going to open like this was like a tube and this is the bottom, but this is the top, so that's fun. Yeah, it's definitely a pink shade. Smells good. It smells like passion fruit or something. It's got a little hint of color to it. I like that. I will definitely use this. So excited about this. How much is this? $17? This is an expensive chapstick, you guys. Lip balm, whatever. Quench your lips with hydrating protection. This lip balm leaves lips soft, lemon scented, and protected with reef safe broad spectrum SPF 15. Recommended by the Skin Cancer Foundation as effective lip product. That's cool that the Skin Cancer Foundation recommends this. Kind of got it all over the lid, so that's fun time. Cleaning that off right now. I mean, I will use this. $17 is quite a bit for a lip balm, but that's cool. And the last thing in here is by Lauren B. Beauty. I've also heard of that. I have quite a few of her nail polishes. Nail growth serum. That's awesome. I normally have pretty long nails, but they did just recently break, which sucks. So I will definitely give this a try. If I could open it, we could look at it. Oh, it's just this little tube-like thing. How do you apply? Oh, it's just like a little wand. Do I put this all over the nail? Probably should have read the directions first, but I did. Okay, let's see. Do you have directions for me? Salvation for fragile, brittle nails that refuse to grow. The sheer blend of amino acids, antioxidants, vitamin E and C, peptides, and biotin sinks into instantly. My God, I can't see. And instantly to boost natural nail growth and strength. Brush it directly onto your nails before applying polish, or on bare nails once or twice a day. Cool. How much are you? $75. Oh boy. Yeah, it says literally the same thing I already said, but $75 for this? This better like be magic in a bottle, you guys, because that is ridiculously expensive. My hair is crazy. What else is new? That didn't help. Okay, quick little recap. We got some detox cream, cool I guess. Some hand soap, cool I guess. A lip balm that I'm actually excited about. It's cute, I will wear it. And a nail growth serum that I'm actually really excited about. This is ridiculously expensive. Don't know if it's worth it yet or not, but I will apply this to my nails daily for a little while, and we'll see if they grow any faster. But that's everything in this box. It's a short and sweet little video. Usually is with this one. I still don't know that I'm in love with this box. I don't think I'm gonna continue to get it. My subscription is up in December of this year, and I think that'll be where I call it, because I've just never, this box hasn't had a box yet that I've just been like, yes, I love this box, and I've been having it for almost a year now. So probably gonna call it after a year. But that's everything for this video, you guys. Let me know down below if you get the subscription box, if you get the same things I do, because I really don't know. I don't see anybody do this box, so I don't know if they're all the same or if they're different, anything like that. But yeah, don't forget to like this video before you go and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any more of my future videos. Bye, guys.